You can see that I'm just starting to drizzle some super tasty honey right on the bottom of my baking sheet that I lined with parchment paper. Right away, I'm gonna come in with a little bit of butter and I'm gonna place 2 slabs of butter right there directly on top of that honey. Who doesn't love honey? Do you guys buy local honey? Do you guys buy the honey at the store? Tell me all about it. I love a good honey. Sometimes I get it at the farmer's market, but sometimes I can find some good quality honey at the grocery. What do you guys think? What do you guys use? Tell me all about it. Now we're gonna top the butter with some cinnamon sugar that I just quickly threw together using about a tablespoon of cinnamon to probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons of sugar, but you can do it as you wish depending on how sweet you want it and how much cinnamon you want. It's up to you. Now I have some tasty red apples because what doesn't say fall like some good, delicious apple. So you can tell here that I'm starting to take this apple and I'm gonna set it right on top of the butter, just like that. So go through, set your apples, whichever one you're choosing. I kind of like a Honey Crisp, but I don't know, maybe you're gonna use a Granny Smith. Maybe you like the Fiji ones. I have no idea. What are your favorite kind of apples? So many to choose from. And whatever you pick, just grab it and lay it right on top of the butter. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should be pretty easy. If those sides are flat, it'll lay right on there. Okay, now check this out. I have a puff pastry sheet here. You wanna make sure that that's nice and thawed out. Then once you have that, you're just gonna cut it into 6 different squares. So you'll see that they have these little indents from when it was folded in half. It makes it pretty easy to see. You'll just cut it right there along that line. I use my kitchen shears. I feel like it's the easiest thing to get the job done right. Once you have those cut, we're gonna make a total of 6 pieces. So we'll just take those and cut them right in half then, right as well. This is going so great, you guys, and really easy. You might just have these ingredients laying around the house. Okay, so check this out. I'm gonna take the squares now. I'm gonna place them right on top of those apples. So we have the layer of the honey, then we have the butter, we have the cinnamon sugar and the apples, and we're taking our puff pastry and we're setting it right on top. Once you have those on top, you're gonna kind of just push it all around the apple. It's almost like you're making a little pillow with the puff pastry, just like so. Make sure everything is locked in there because when those apples bake with the rest of that stuff, it is going to be absolutely delicious. To top it off, I have some melted butter. Go ahead and brush that right on top of that pastry. Look at that. It's gonna make it golden brown and so tasty as that dough starts to rise. It's gonna complement all the stuff on the inside. So good, you guys. I don't know if fall isn't screaming with apples and cinnamon sugar. I don't know what is. What do you guys like? What is your favorite fall treat? I am totally an apple person. I don't know. I would probably pick apple over pumpkin. What is your thoughts? Are you pumpkin or apple? I know those people that like the pumpkin, man, they'll pumpkin spice everything up. I feel the same way about apple. Tell me what you think all about that stuff, you guys, in the comments. All right, here we go. We are ready to rock and roll. Let's throw these bad boys in the oven. They're gonna cook at 350 for about 13 minutes and stick around. They are gonna be tasty. All right, our easy treat is all done. I cannot wait to see these things. Okay, I'm gonna try really carefully here. I'm gonna just flip it all over, just like so. And then that parchment paper should just slide right off. Oh yeah, and now we'll start to reveal as we pull away. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Look at those baked apples in there with the pastry. The honey just created this glaze on top. Wow, that looks absolutely phenomenal. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be super delicious. And how easy was that? These were so easy to throw together. Oh, we got one little sticking right there. Let's carefully try to get that off. There we go. Oh my gosh, that honey melted in with the butter and that looks so good. Look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness, I love them. I'm gonna take this one right here in the front. Look at how cute those little apple pieces are. They look like they're done perfectly. Ooh, yeah, let's dig in. Amazing. Call me crazy, but I'd say this is better than an apple pie. I love the butter mixed with the honey and the cinnamon sugar, and the apple is just the perfect amount of sweetness tucked in with the puff pastry. This is a home run. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Let me know what you guys think. If there's anything that you're changing, I'm gonna dig in, and we'll see you guys later. Enjoy.